Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Tor Browser for Windows with security settings, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser on your Windows computer. Go to the official Tor project website by typing torproject.org in the address bar. Once the page loads, locate the download button on the home page. Click on the download button to access the download options for the Tor browser. You will be directed to a page with various download links. Select the link for the Windows version of the Tor browser. A download prompt should appear, asking if you want to save the file. Choose the location on your computer where you want to save the file. Click Save to begin downloading the Tor browser installer. Wait for the download to complete. Once downloaded, locate the installer file in the folder you selected. Double-click on the installer file to start the installation process. A security warning may appear. Click Run to proceed. Follow the on-screen instructions in the installer. Select your preferred language and click OK. Accept the terms of the license agreement and click Next. Choose the destination folder for the Tor browser and click Install to begin the installation. The installation process will take a few moments. Once the installation is complete, click Finish. Now, locate the Tor browser shortcut on your desktop or in the Start menu. Double-click the Tor browser icon to launch the application. Allow the browser to connect to the Tor network. Once connected, the Tor browser window will open. To enhance your security settings, click on the Preferences or Settings menu. Under the Privacy and Security section, adjust the security slider to a higher level. Consider disabling certain settings like JavaScript for increased privacy. Review additional privacy settings, such as cookie management and tracking protection. After configuring security settings, you are now ready to start browsing. Enjoy your experience on the Tor network with enhanced security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.